Every year, tons of waste end up in landfills. But there's a way to help reduce this waste: recycling. What is recycling? Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into new products to prevent waste and reduce the need for raw material. Why is recycling important? Recycling conserves natural resources, reduces pollution, saves energy, and helps protect the environment. Types of recyclable materials. Paper, a newspaper turning into new paper. Plastic, plastic bottles being transformed into new items. Glass, glass bottles being melted and remade into new containers. Metal, cans being recycled into new metal products. The recycling process.
Collection.
Sorting. Processing. Manufacturing. What happens to non-recyclable waste? Items that cannot be recycled often end up in landfills or are incinerated, contributing to pollution and waste. Conclusion. Together, we can make a difference. Call to action. Find out more about recycling in your community and start making a positive impact now.